In this video, we're going to integrate the testimonial slider into the StrapPress WordPress theme. Alright, so let's download the files here. Once they're downloaded, unzip. And we'll open this here. And you can see here we have the files, and then this right here is the StrapPress theme with this already integrated. But as I've mentioned before, I wouldn't recommend using this as a starter theme or a kickoff. StrapPress in this zip might be a little outdated, so I always recommend grabbing the latest version of StrapPress either on GitHub or on mvpwp.com. With that said, let's go ahead and start integrating this into our theme. So here we have the files, INC, customizer. I'm going to go ahead and just grab these customizer settings here, copy that, and then in my StrapPress theme I'm going to go into INC customizer, and then I'm just going to add these down to the bottom, paste those in there. Got that. Alright, now we need to put the Sass files into our theme. So Sass blocks, gonna go ahead and add the testimonials here, and then within Sass blocks SCSS, going to call that new file that I placed in here. Oops. Testimonials. So that import's going to grab that file right there. Save that. What else do we have here? We have the template parts. So in our theme, we're going to go down to template parts, put that block in there, and then we have templates, and then example of how to call this into our theme. So notice that I used a custom template called homepage that I'm calling this block on. You can actually call this wherever you want. I mean, if you create another template called maybe on your services or your about page or even your contact page, wherever you want to put it. But here for this example, we're just going to put it in our homepage template. So let's save that. I'm going to run gulp. It's going to start browser sync for me and start looking at my files. And before we get going, I want to just save this file again to make sure that gulp sees my latest Sass file. So now that we have it integrated, we can go to the dashboard, go to Appearance, Customize, and then you'll notice that we have a testimonial section here. So if we click on that, when we scroll down on our home page where we added it, you can see here that we have this testimonial slider. So you can see here that there's a toggle to enable and disable the indicator, which is right here. So you can disable those if you don't like it, and it'll automatically slide still without the user being able to click the indicator like you just saw there. So we can enable that. So within each testimonial, you can add new here with this button, but you can open this up. There's a spot to upload the image for the testimonial. There's a spot to do the border radius for the image. So notice this one's circle because I have it circle. You can also do rounded, which kind of just rounds the border there, or you can also just do none, and it'll use whatever you upload as your image. That's a pretty cool little feature. And then we have the testimonial copy, which is the actual copy, and then the testimonial author name, which is obviously the author name. So that's a quick little video on how to integrate the testimonials and what you can expect from the customizer. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out.